What's going on? What up? What up? Yo, what up, sleeper? Boom. Man, I'm just freaking getting this going here. Uh, just setting up, setting up. Almost done. Things just ripping. What up, David? What up? What up? Me. What up? What There we go. I got everything set up. I can see over here. Dude, I've been testing out some stuff. That's definitely testing out some stuff. Do not follow anything I do today. I smoked an account today because I thought I was on 10 micros. I wasn't. I definitely wasn't. So stupid. I got to figure out how I can oh, you know what I need to do today? Boom! Start the freaking day off strong. Gamble life, baby. Wait. What the fuck? Why is that doing that? I'm trying to get to. What up, William? What up? What up? I am wondering, did I overwrite my quant tower with AMP's quant tower, and now I can't access any of my Rhythmic accounts, and I have to use Rhythmic Trader Pro? Come on, pull this back to 612. This thing's just going to rip. We're just going to the moon. Oh, I'm not even on the right fucking security. Oh, whoa. I literally just bought YM. What is going on with me today? Not gonna lie, today's been absolutely busy as fuck. I got a kid home that has an ear infection, so I'm dealing with that. Just other miscellaneous stuff going on. I haven't traded that live account in like 3 days. I got to figure out. I got a couple things I want to figure out what I want to do. I do not like how my current setup is. Like, I'm trading all these accounts individually, and then I switch from Tradeovate to Volumetrica to another Tradeovate to Ninja Trader to Quant Tower. Like, it's just so much. And what happens is I start leaving orders in, or like today I buy thinking I'm on 10 micros, but I'm on 10 minis, and I smoke a funded account because of that. Like, there's been too many things that are just mistakes, just pure mistakes, not even trading mistakes, just mistakes. And I have to start eliminating that. That's where I'm at. So I am going to try to figure out how to consolidate some of this stuff and become more efficient, because it's a lot. All right. Oh, this is right where I wanted. Let's go. Hold this pivot point and push back up. That's what we want, right? Flip this this gap at 24. Flip this gap at 24 would be nice. That would give us a nice push. Oh, let's go. Come on, give us the flip. There we go. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. So you could do it with, you could definitely do it with Quant Tower. Quant Tower allows it. Quant Tower definitely allows it. Dude, this was perfect, actually. That was a perfect retest. Um, man, that was exactly what you wanted right there. That was the hourly orb right around the pivot point, right there, and then bounced. It doesn't get easier than that. I don't know if we're going to keep going up though. We are kind of extended a little bit. Yo, what up? What up? What if? Oh, what are you guys up to? But yeah, Quant Tower allows you to do it. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see if I want to do it on Quant Tower. I don't know. I'm just kind of I'm toying around with what my options are. It's not going to be Ninja Trader, I don't think. I think this is going to fucking go.
Order filled.
Dude, I'm getting fucking notifications. Notifications. Bum, 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 bum. Oh man, you're gonna make me do this? Honestly, I feel like as long as we're above 605, I feel like the only way you can go is long, but you are getting kind of like a double top here. And I can see it coming back down to retest. Dude, we get a green candle back through here. That'd be nice. What do I think of Tradeify? I think out of all the direct to funded accounts, they're the only one currently I'd probably give my money to. I mean, my funded futures, obviously, but they do a milestone, which is a little bit like a hybrid. Um, but if it's just direct to funded, it's probably the only one I would use. I have, it's the only one that also I leave on here that says I'm part of that I would promote as a coupon code, because I have coupon codes with other ones and I do not put them in the room. I got it just to kind of save it if they become anything good, but I just kind of feel like some of the other ones need some more time. So I just kind of back off. I let them work, and then I'll see what becomes of it. But right now, Tradeify is the only one I would probably use. The other one is, I guess, Tick, but they're kind of expensive. Because I feel like there's a bull flag, yeah, little flag action. They're all the same. I mean, what are you gonna? I'm just curious. Like, what are you looking to try? Is probably
Order filled.
what I would ask. Like, what do you think is different that they offer that another firm does not offer? Like, you're gonna use Tradeovate, and it's gonna be just like trading on Take Profit Trader or Apex. Like, it's not like you're using some other software and you're like, hey, have you tried Quant Tower yet? Have you tried Ninja Trader? Like, there's nothing to try. It's just you're going to get a direct to funded account. You're going to use Tradeovate. And once you make $3,000, you're going to pull money out. Like, I'm just being honest with you. Like, there's nothing to. I trusted that. So here's all the direct to funded ones. You got Tick, Profit Trade, and Tradeify. Those are like the three ones that I know of that are direct to funded. Profit Trade recently was delayed on paying people. So I probably would not use them currently. I would wait. They're newer. I would give them some time and I would just see what happens. Then you have Tick Trader, which has been around for ages. Do I trust them? Yeah, they're going to pay you, but it's more expensive. And then Tradeify has been paying everybody. There hasn't been any payment issues. And it seems like everything's going well over there. I don't see anything going wrong currently. My funded futures has the milestone plan, which is kind of like a hybrid. I fully trust my funded futures with their milestone plans. You're definitely going to get paid. You're definitely going to get paid there. They're legit. And, that's pretty much it. I mean, the only difference is my funded futures, you're probably going to use Volumetrica, which I like the platform. Tradeify says they have no profit targets. Yeah, I mean, there's no profit targets, but there's a 20% consistency rule. You have to make, I think it's 5 days of $200 or more. There's targets that you have to hit. It's not like you could just trade $50 a day and then pull the money out. There's targets that you have to hit certain goals. It's not just a free for all. Um, the milestone plans are $3,000 targets. You hit it 4 times and you have a live account. Yeah, I mean, they're all similar. Like, I'm going to be honest with you. If you're not getting paid out from one firm, switching to the other one isn't going to magically get you paid out. I would say that if you go with either one and you make money, you're going to get paid out in Tradeify or My Funded Futures. The rules aren't like significantly. There's not like, oh my God, I think Tradeify just got rid of their daily loss limit also. I think I saw that they got rid of their daily loss limit, so that's a plus. That's probably what I would say out of all of them is those two are both going to pay you. Yeah, I don't think you'll have an issue. This was a nice little flag breakout. That's dangerous. Dangerous. Honestly, we are. I'm curious. I might take a. If we give this up, I might take it short for a little bit, probably to 34. You said you had to make 200 a day on Sugar. Can you play smaller and make? It's a good question. It's a good question. Here, I'll look real quick. I will look real quick. Don't do me dirty like that. That's fucking crazy. Straight to funded payout policy. I'm looking for you right now. I just got fucking hosed. No, I think you need to make. Here you go. I'm just going to put this in here. You can read it. Oh, I was just up and didn't fucking. Yeah. Yo, what up, CT? Sorry, I was reading something for Kisan. What's Top Step doing? What are they in that we can fade? We might just freaking grind up here for the rest of the day. I might just, I'm going to stay in this account. I'm not going to sell until I get it over. Let me see, 50. Probably sell 4 up here somewhere. Damn, short at 625. They probably got fooled right here. I don't understand how that could happen. I'm going to make a video about it tonight. Just it's I call it one of the greatest prop firm marketing campaigns ever. And I could be completely wrong about it, but basically they lose every day, so people talk about it on live streams that they're down, and then it brings people to them in hopes that they buy accounts. It's exactly what happens. And then people follow them and get smoked. It's like one big freaking crazy circle jerk. They lose money. People talk about it. People watching them follow lose money. And then they buy more accounts. And then they continue watching them lose. It's just so crazy. Dude, I can't believe this. Like, yo, that's true. Yo, Winfinity, when you go to the casino and they have like the blackjack instruction that's free, and everybody comes and learns how to play blackjack for free. Yeah. Yo, he put out a tweet addressing the losses. What did the tweet say? What did the tweet say? Just like, don't follow us. We got you. Gotcha, suckers. Honestly, you shouldn't follow anybody. Honestly, shouldn't really follow anybody. You should learn and put together what works for you is what you should be doing. Oh, because people trade different accounts differently and things like that. Also in prop firm land, like, if you just watch me scalp something, you also have a 3-second delay. We're probably not going to get the same entry unless you see an order that's in. Gotcha, bitch. Yo. Let's see.
Gotcha, bitch.
Got it. Yeah, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. But that what the tweets? Any good deals on prop firm accounts now besides Trader? I honestly think the best deal out there currently is Take Profit Trader, but Black Friday is in a week and a half. If you want to wait until the 29th, wait until the 29th. It's kind of up to you. But I know I'm not waiting to the 29th. So I just play or I get whatever's out there. I think I only like the Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures because there's no activation fee. I do think there's going to be deals out there in next Friday, but like, what am I going to do from now until next Friday? Like, I just can't, I'm just not going to sit here personally, but I think deals are going to start rolling out maybe before that. Yeah, but last year they were rolling, like, I don't know what day Apex came out, but like Apex was running 90% off. Like, people had good deals around the time. What's weird about My Funded Futures is like they do it for one account. It's like, oh, you can get one account at 23% off. It's like, okay, like, what about more than one account? Oh, did they just not fucking take me out right there? What up, Ace? I just sent the tweet. Where was it? Where is it? I don't see the tweet, man. Where'd you put it? I don't see the tweet. I mean, I'll look up his name and I'll post it if it's not letting you post it for whatever reason. What is he at? Like, at what? I'll look it up. Just his name. I gotta look to see what his actual name is. I don't even know. When I say I don't even follow some of this stuff, I don't. It's just Patak. All right, let's see what he said. If they're cold, then the house is cold. If they, oh, I thought he put something out like Like, we're sorry we're getting our asses kicked on fucking live. I'm taking that. Yeah, I found it. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. That might have been the top. Did I just hit the top on that? Tell me I just got the top. Dude, I might have just gotten the top here. What a freaking sell. What a sell. I mean, I still think we're going up. I mean, I'm not looking to really. I don't know if I would freaking short this. Let me pull up some other time frames, see what we're looking at here. Honestly, I probably would not be looking. Cove, you may be onto something. How many traders are you talking about? The house count, free advertising. Yo, 1,000%, CT. I've actually been talking about that probably for at least the last month or so when they started losing. Ray, everyone's struggling, bro. I accidentally blew an account today. Then you got booted. I think it's the greatest marketing thing ever. Like, if I made a channel and you just watched me lose heavy every single day, people would watch just to watch. I think that's what it is. Oh, that sucks, Ray. Fun Bobby. I got to see what Fun Bobby from Friends looks like. I got to look. I don't actually know. I got to look. Hold on. Oh, I can see that. I think, honestly, I mean, I wouldn't be getting long here. You know, we're already up from the bottom. I mean, I would be looking for some type of pullback to at least maybe the 34. We're not up on the day huge. Look, we're only up 0.11. That's not big at all. Yeah. They could make it seem however they want, man. They can make it seem like they have nothing to do with it. Whoever's running it should not be running it. This was a great flag today. This chop was a great flag today. This bounce was freaking perfect. Dude, someone's clicking that fucking button, bro. Somebody is. Are we just going to continue up here? Imagine we just grind the rest of the day. I'm just looking for a shit. I'm just looking for a shit eval. Well, not a shit eval, but like one that's not close. I'm going to take 2 and I'm just going to. I'm curious if they just keep freaking grinding. Yeah, I heard Dakota's good. I have no idea. I honestly don't follow. I don't follow them. I don't. I don't really follow many people. Like at the end of the day, I like ideas. I like things people look at when they're trading, but I got enough stuff to go on that I can't do it. It's just too much. Like I like listening to people make money. Oh, fuck. But there's so many people out there. If I followed everybody, there's so many people out there. So I got like a handful of people that I'll watch. And, you know, like when I'm not on the stream, I'll pop on a couple other streams just to see what's up and whatnot. Or I'll put it on so I'm listening to something in the background. But that's where, like, I'm not going to follow Dakota's trades. You want to hear something crazy? I'm not even going to say his name. I'm not going to say his name unless you know of him. How's that sound? But I was on a streamer's podcast, on a streamer's stream the other day, and he's a popular one. And he sounds like Kermit the Frog. And once you hear it, you cannot unhear it. But he sounds like Kermit the Frog. I literally thought he was using like a voice changer. He doesn't show his face. How's that sound? I don't know who Nestor is. But yo, I honestly thought it was Kermit the Frog. No, it's not. Nutty shows his face. I'm not going to say who it is, but yo, I thought I was being fucking pumped. Oh, Nestor is Nutty Bar? No, I have no idea. It's not Nutty. It's not Nutty at all. It's not Nutty. Yeah, I did. Crazy. Yeah. Yo, Patrick could come over here and sponsor my channel for the month for 5 Gs. I'll put his little $199 fucking course scrolling at the bottom. Dude, you guys are on this nutty thing. It's not nutty at all. It's somebody I just found within the last 2 weeks. So it can't be nutty. He doesn't show his face. I just found him within the last 2 weeks. And motherfucker sounds like Kermit the Frog. And you don't see his face. I thought he was doing it as a joke. I should have just fucking held in. I don't know why. Man, this thing's just ripping. I don't want to be an affiliate for Patrick's thing. But if he wants to give me 5K, I'll throw it up. He's never given me $5,000. Yeah, I don't want to be a Patrick Weiland affiliate with that. This market looks like it's just going to fucking grind. Here's the thing about me, man. Like, if I'm not using it, I'm not going to tell you to use it. People have asked me about like prop firms. I have affiliate links at the prop firms and a coupon code, and I got it to save it that if I ever did use that firm, I didn't want somebody to use my to steal my code. But I just don't push it out there because I'm not using it. That's basically how it goes. Like, yeah. But like an example, like somebody mentioned Blue Sky in here. Like I have a Blue Sky affiliate link. I don't tell you to go there because I don't use it. But people will talk about it in here. And I'm just like, I'm not using it. So I can't sit here and tell you it's good. I'm not going to just sit here to just, tell you to click my Blue Sky link. If I'm not using it. Dude, I'd never done it to him, but I was going to do it one day. Get a fucking burner account and fucking get them all riled up and video it. Like screen record it. I know exactly what would get him going, because we talk about it at night. It would take me about fucking 2 minutes to get him fucking really rolling. But then you'd probably know it was me after like 5 minutes. He would know me. He'd be like, "That's fucking you." And I'd be like, "Yeah." Yeah, I wouldn't surprise. It wouldn't surprise me if prop firms pay people to go in these chats, especially the newer ones. It's actually a good deal. Like, say you paid 5 people to hit all the live streams and be like, "Hey, what do you think about XYZ prop firm? I'm using it. It's awesome. I'm getting paid." And then you're basically getting free advertising in all the live streams. And you have multiple people being like, "Oh yeah, I use them too. Oh yeah, I use them too." And now everybody watching will be like, "Oh man, all these guys are using it. Let me use that." And it's just free advertising. I wouldn't surprise me if people get paid to do that. Yeah, I know those FTT guys were getting on them. They're gone though. Now that guy's starting a hedge fund or something. I'm holding this till the fucking end. I'm holding it. This is my stop. I think we're just going to grind up. I think it's going to be some dumbass grind until I don't even know. I can't stand these days. Dude, you got banned? Ah, that's awesome. Dude, I wouldn't ban you. I wouldn't ban you if you faded me every time. I don't care. I wouldn't care one bit. If you're making money, awesome, man. If you found something that every time I took a certain trade, it was bad and you faded it and you made money, all power to you, man. You know? I watched a reel today on fucking Instagram that was like, the guy was like, don't look at my screen. I suck. He's like, you lost 4 trades in a row. He's like, I know, but now every time I think it's going to go one way, we go the opposite. It's a free money machine. It's free money. I was like, geez. This thing's going to flag and then go high. We're going to flag right here and then eventually go. Oh, this just made the old buy signal. Where's the fucking take profit? Oh, 800. I'm going to ride this thing. I think we're going to flag here and then we're going to keep grinding up. You got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, so I think you're more likely to see grind than a drop. I could be completely wrong, obviously. It just kind of feels grindish. You know, and you're not getting massive candles to the upside. I mean, you're just getting like controlled buying. I mean, that's what this looks like. It just looks like controlled buying on the way up. I would get worried if you start seeing some massive green candles to the upside. You'd probably say you're going to reach the top soon. But I don't even see like any massive. I mean, we probably got at least 20 points to the upside. See what happens. Boom, Andy. Boom. Very nice. I'm leaving this shit on autopilot. I'm not touching this. This is a hands-off. I never make money in the grind. I always I'll just sit here or do stupid shit. Today is the day I take my hands off. It is what it is. I got a stop loss in and just let it grind up. If we break over 700, I'll move my stop up. Or actually, if we go to like 700 area, I'll move my stop up to like 80 to guarantee profit. I need to, what am I going to eat for lunch today? What type of shit is that? Dude, I love Mexican food, dude. I'll eat fucking Mexican food every day. I don't have it at my house though. I'm not going out. If I was going out, I'd go get Mexican food all day. My wife says I have a problem. We're starting to get close to 700. I do think we're going to take a mild pullback here around 700. See, this is the problem because there's the intraday drawdown is going to fuck me because if we then drop like we are, I should have taken my gains because the intraday drawdown is going to hose me. Now I'm losing drawdown. So in that aspect, I think I'm going to take gains up here and I'm going to wait for another pullback so I don't get hit with the drawdown. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I've been on a roll. Let's see what happens. Damn, I lost. See, this is interesting. Look at the range. Every time we come up in here, we're going to if you get this short, I'm not saying to do it. I'm just saying if you catch this short, I mean, the range is like, what is that? Like 100, like almost 200 points. I mean, you would think that London high is 696. It's probably not a bad spot. or what is it? Asia high. Asia high is 696. It's probably not a terrible spot to take something light. Maybe look. Damn. Just thinking real quick, thinking out loud like freaking Ed Sheeran. What do I want to do here? I want to see it break down and then retest lower high and come down. I would then take it. That's what I want to see. I'm not getting in front of it, but I would want to see a dip. Like we hit this area, we dip, we come back up, we don't make a new high, and then we roll over is what I'd want to see. That would be the ultimate move in my mind. Damn, Tradeify has halted trading for today. I just got Tradeify has halted trading today pending Tradeivate fixing data issues. All accounts traded between 8:45 and 11 a.m. that had a negative P&L today will be reverted back to your start of day balance. Damn, somebody got fucking bailed out today. Oh baby, who traded with them today? You could have went all in and got your money back. That's crazy. Man, this is just the fuck. We grinded like this yesterday, though. Do you guys remember? Look at this. Was it yesterday? Yeah, we were grinding like this, grinding, and then all of a sudden, yeah, and then we fucking dumped. No, that was not, that was PM. Oh, here it was. This is what we did. We grinded, and then all of a sudden 11:40 came, and then we absolutely shit the bed. Yeah. Yo, what up, Alfred? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we dump over from here. I mean, this should be a point of just rejection here. I don't even know if they're going to do it. Either way, I just scalped it for money. Either way, made money on it. I don't, yeah. The real way to take a short is you want to see it come down, bounce, but only bounce to like 690, not make a new high, and then come out below. That would get me in. Until then, I just freaking hold. Do you enter market often? I feel like most times I market in. I would say majority of the time I set my order. Probably. I'll market out more than I market in. Yeah, I'll definitely market out. I probably don't market in. That's probably how I do it majority of the time. So like honestly, like these conditions aren't what I like, but I will say it kind of feels like, yeah, you got to be okay with missing it. It's just, it is what it is. I don't see anything that says I should short until we make a lower high. And right now we're just grinding. I mean, I took the shot there, but that wasn't like a short that I'm holding for like a trend change. That was like a scalp. Yeah, you bottom. Yeah. What's crazy is if you get a good entry, you'll stay in the trade longer because you're not going to be down as much. You'll definitely stay in a lot longer because, like, say you went to short or whatever, and now you're in 4 points higher. 4 points with one mini is $80. Like now your whole thought process changes if it goes against you. I always, I would take your time and I'd rather miss it and always get good entries and say, hey, I missed it. It is what it is. Than get bad entries and always get in. Getting into me is more important than exiting because getting in will allow me to stay in while exiting mostly is just taking profits. So basically, if we get like a nice setup here for a short, I'll kind of trail it. I kind of feel like we are getting one, to be honest with you. Kind of got a double top. You just made it low. You just made a lower low than that. I am, Yeah, kind of seems that way. I mean, what you kind of want to see though is a bounce back to like maybe like 91 and then roll is really what you really want to see. Or, you know, we're getting a little bounce, but then you want to see that kind of fail and then just kind of flush out. I mean, I think we can get back down into the 50 range, but we'll see. I mean, what you don't want, you really do not want to go back up to the highs. Yeah, we got the bounce. Now you want to see the flush. You want this candle to get below and start accelerating to the downside is what you want now. You're going to want to see a flush. My first area would be 77, but we get past 77. I mean, you might get a real dump here. But not a family man. You know, I keep my eye on this. You know, once this starts going below 20, I would say I would get worried that a bounce is incoming. You want to flush within the next couple candles is what you want. Like I'm even moving my stop loss. I'm moving to 93 in my funded account. I just feel like if we go back over 93, it's not what I'm looking for. Habitual plan B buyer. I know there's some shit going on with Russia and Ukraine with the U.S. strikes and whatnot. Come on. Yeah, I could see a bull flag. I mean, I'm looking to go under 80. If we don't fucking go under 80, I am out of this shit. You know, because then yeah. So to me, what you had was you had a double top, and once you broke 83, I was looking for a flush. We did not get the flush. And now the longer we stay in this fucking pattern, the longer I do not like it. This thing's got to work itself down quickly or I'm out. I think there's a lot of air underneath here that if we do get a flush, you can really work it down like 20, 30 points. But the longer they keep it here, the more I don't like it. It's really this candle that did it for me. Because we came down, we came back up to retest, and then we came down. You really wanted this candle to be a continuation candle down. You did not want this to be bought back up a second time. That's not what you're looking for. You're looking for down and down. Now that what you're getting is you're getting that consolidation in a flag. See, we're working down, but we're not going down. That's a big fucking problem. This is probably going to rip. As long as you hold, I mean, that's what this turned into. Are you effing fucking shitting me? Well, that's what I was talking about was going to happen. I can't believe I got fucking stopped out. The Ludes had a delayed reaction. Well, that's how my day's been going, guys. Fuck me, man. Well, that was the dump that I was talking about. They bought it back up, which means they're probably not going to continue down. They bought that shit up quick. That was crazy. Look at that. Watch this. Let's go. Get under and down. Under and down. Dude, that straight up stops being taken out. That was just stop after stop. Are they going to buy this shit right the fuck back up? So I think we see 44 or something. I don't know if I'm going to wait till 40. I put my order here in case they flash it down. If they flash it down, obviously I want to get filled. But really, I'm probably targeting like 62. I don't know why I just didn't take $130 because I'm a fucking idiot. I'm an idiot that didn't take $100 and something. Next time I get to $100 and something bucks, I'm just going to take it out. Yeah, this always happens. They slow grind it up. $110. Now they're going to dump it. Either way, this has the makings of down here somewhere. You know what's nice? Yesterday, what was I up yesterday? I think like $1,900 I made yesterday. Stacked another $1,100 on top of that. Up $3,000 this week. What up, Corey? Man, I took one trade and held it for 1 hour this morning and came out all the way back down and stopped me out. What? Yo, there was 2 trades of the day today. One was this bull flag where you dropped, came up, you created a base, nice flag, and then we broke out. And then where we broke over the 1 hour orb and then retested it and then continued. That sucks, man. Being in a trade for an hour. What were you short? I'm guessing, what were you short in this time frame? And I'm so glad I took profit on that. I don't fuck with gold, man. Gold? Dude, you crazy. Oh, so you had this. Oh, geez. I don't even know. No, it's just chop now. Chop city. Yeah, this is all just chop in the gold. I don't know enough about gold, man. I don't know anything about gold. I wish I did. Dude, it's noon. All right, I'll be back in 2 hours. I'm gonna go eat something. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. All right. Peace.